Of all the methods for interpolating strata boundaries, Kriging is probably the most well-suited, as the influence of data points does not decrease away from them. Because of this, the interpolation is not affected by the data distribution. All Kriging methods use a function that describes the dependence between the distance and variability of values, known as the variogram. This episode will highlight the concept behind the variogram and some of the terms necessary for setting up Kriging interpolation. The variogram begins by calculating the difference between pairs of data values. These pairs are separated by the same lag or distance between two locations. The pairs can be binned into sets that have similar distances. Grouping pairs of points together based on their separation distances is defined by lag distance classes. For example, a lag distance of 100 meters will group pairs of points together that are 0 to 100 meters apart. The next group will include points which are 100 to 200 meters apart, and so on. The differences in value of an interpolated parameter are then squared. The variogram value for a particular lag distance is then calculated by averaging these squared differences. The result is the variogram value at that lag distance here marked as D1. In other words, we start by looking at how much a parameter changes between 2 points that are a certain distance apart, referred to here as D1. We then square this change to ensure that all our results are positive. We are just concerned with the size of the change. The average of all these squared changes is called the variogram value for the distance of D1. The variogram value at D1 tells us how much we can expect the value to change between any 2 points that are D1 distance apart. When the distance between 2 points is so small that we cannot measure any correlation between them, we call it a nugget, derived from the nugget effect, like a nugget in a river used to describe such random concentrations of mineral deposits that we cannot predict where they will be. Conversely, range is a large distance beyond which there is no relation between data points, or the relation is no longer useful in interpolation. In QGIS, range is defined as the maximum distance. Algorithms in QGIS will automatically construct variograms for you. However, with an understanding of the method and patience for trial and error, the results will be more accurate. We will explore types of Kriging in the next episode. Congratulations on staying with me up to this point. Please subscribe and continue exploring interpolation methods.